Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change background of the text in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and here we will search any template. For example, I want to make template of YouTube banner, so that's why I will click on YouTube banner. So after that I will select blank options. For example, I write something here and then I will show you how you can change the background of text very easily. How to change. So for example, I wrote this text and then I will increase the size and I will show you how you can change the color of background. So when I will select text and I will scroll down and here you will see effect options, click on it and then scroll it and you will see background options, so click on it and then click on it again and you will see color options, click on it and here you can select any color of background of text and in this way you can change the background color of text. So if you want to change the roundness, thickness, you can also change. So here you can change the roundness of shadow, so you can see it's very finely working. So here you can also change the spreadness of shadow and here you can change transparency of shadow. So guys, in this way you can change the background of text. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.